We'll just revise the circuit once. So this is the sequence which we require: A plus B minus A minus. We have drawn two pilot lines because two groups. Then we have two cylinders which are connected to 4x2 direction control valves, and we have used cascading method. So when I push either the push button or this lever, the compressed air will flow from here, from the OR valve, and if and only if A0 is pressed, that is A is in minus position, this would actuate the position of this direction control valve, and in default position S2 was on, this position would change and S1 would turn on. Immediately after S1 turns on, the compressed air supply flows over here, this position gets switched. Due to switching of this position, compressed air supply will flow over here and it will perform A plus. When A plus is performed, A1 is pressed. Once A1 is pressed, here it is A1, it is connected to S1. When A1 is pressed, the compressed air supply will flow from S1 via A1 over here. Again, this would change the position of this switch. Due to change in position of this switch, B plus is performed. After B plus is performed, B1 is pressed. Now as S1 line is already on, B1 is over here. When B1 is pressed, this line would get connected. S1 is already on, and after B1 is pressed, B plus is performed. The compressed air will flow over here. This will change the position of this switch to change the pilot line to this default position, and S1 will turn off, S2 will turn on. Once S2 turns on, immediately first operation that will be performed is switching of this direction control valve. Hence it would come back to this position and it would perform B minus. Once B minus is performed, B0 is pressed. Once B0 is pressed, S2 line is on, this will be pressed, hence compressed air will flow over here. This would actuate the position of this switch to its default position, and A minus will be performed. And also a thing to note is, once you press the start button and the operation is going on and you again pressed it, only and only if A0 is pressed, then only the compressed air supply will actuate this switch. As we have smartly used A0 over here, when A minus, this cylinder is not in A minus position, this won't be pressed. Hence while operation is going on, if you press any of the switch, it won't make a difference as the compressed air won't flow through this actual valve. So this is the basic pneumatic circuit.